Hey, welcome to the channel. We all talk about like these surging engines. It seems like it's happening more often, but it really isn't. It's just been there and people are noticing it more. But how can we correct that issue for the customer, or if you're one of the do-it-yourselfers and you have an engine surging, how can you straighten it out? Stay tuned. Alrighty, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. Today we're going to talk about the surging engine, the galloping engine. As you rev it up, it tends to go away, right? But if you start bringing it back down, she'll do that gallop, surge. And what ends up happening is these carburetors, as they wear over time, start to get where the fuel air mixture is out of whack, alright? So what ends up happening is that it's running lean because it can't get enough fuel, enough air coming in to help with the fuel. So, you know, I'm always telling you guys about the different tools that we have that not must have, but this is a nice set to have. And this here is a handheld drill bit set. And we use these on carburetors that are galloping. Now, you're going to ask, well, how do you know if it's that? Well, pretty easy. Pop it off, do the clean out, and usually that'll take care of it. But what I'm not saying is, since you have the carburetor off, why not tear it apart, clean it up, ultrasonic, you know, let it sit for a little bit and put it back together. A lot of times cleaning it and doing that will not take care of this issue. It'll still be there. So what am I talking about? Let me see if I can get a little bit closer with you. On these carburetors, you will see that there is a little black button type thing on the top of this carburetor. And if you take that out, what you end up having is this orifice, this right here. And what ends up happening is that as it wears, it lacks enough air coming in to solve the issue. So with taking a hand drill, that's what why they're called hand drills, is that you use it with hand, is you take just gently and go in there and open it up. Now with this set here, this is from 61 to 80. And I've got like 10 bits a piece. We've got a couple different hand drills in here. This is kind of the high-end set, but I can put a link in the description, or I can show it to you on eBay and Amazon. Maybe that's what I should do. That for as little as 10 bucks, you can buy a single set of the handheld with one drill a piece. And the idea, so as you can see with this, there's a 61 piece you can get on Amazon for $9.99. If you flipped over to eBay, same deal. You can get for $12.95. Here's a 50 piece. You pick your poison, but for as little as 10 bucks, you can get a set, everything that you need to do what we're doing here. And the idea is you want to take and get the orifice just a little bit bigger. So when you're checking, if it goes right through and it's not doing anything, change the bit to a bigger one, okay? And what that'll end up doing is, by the time you get it all put back together and out the door, that surging will be gone. But like I say, I'm not telling you that that's all you should do. You have the carburetor off. So why not tear it apart, get it all cleaned up, and eliminate all your problems along with your air, and have a great running machine. Your customer is going to be happy, and if you're doing it yourself or you're doing it on your own for yourself, you're going to be happy. So on that note, you guys have a great day.